Hey everyone, my name is Lacey and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing all of you how to make a pocket letter. If you're wondering what a pocket letter is, it's something that is super popular right now in the pen pal snail mail world. I really love it because it's so fun and innovative, and it's basically the idea that you take a binder page that has pockets and you make it into a letter. I think the one that's the most popular right now is this one, which has 9 slots that are normally used for trading cards. I think it's popular because this is really easy to find. You can find it on Amazon for fairly cheap. I think I've seen them in Walmart near the trading cards and also maybe in the dollar store. So this is the one I'm going to be using today. I also wanted to tell all of you about the subscription that I found. I think it's really cool, so just wanted to tell you. It's called Sticky. It sends you stickers every month. My pen pal sent it to me, and they actually sent me a binder page as well, which is why I'm telling you about it. It had 3 pockets. I thought this was really cool, and I think they send you one of these every month. I'm not sure because this is my first one. And I think the subscription is really cool because you have 3 different categories. You have cute, pop, or retro. You get to decide which one you want. They send it to you every month for $10. They send you an assortment of stickers. They're, in my opinion, they were really cool, something I hadn't seen anywhere else. And they also sent me sticky notes. I think they sent me some paper clips, so it was really cool. Some of the stickers they sent, I already used some, but these, I thought they kind of reminded me of like Beauty and the Beast, and they sent me these like little light bulbs with like little terrariums inside, so I really love that. And they sent me a lot of other ones. I don't know where they are right now, but I actually decided to subscribe myself. This was the pop pack, and I subscribed with the cute pack, so I hope that it's cute. And if you guys are interested, then I might show like opening some of those on my channel, so that could be fun. Anyway, so today I'm not actually using the small one, but I might in the future if you want to see. And I'm actually using this one. So I'm really excited to show this to you. There's so many varieties of like ways you can do it. It's just limited by your own imagination, and so I'm excited to show you some of these. I got some of my ideas online, so I'm going to link those below this video. And if you like my video, please like and subscribe. And I have been trying and succeeding so far at putting a video out every week. And so if you subscribe and hit the little bell button, it will give you a notification whenever I post a new video. And yeah, let's just get into this. And if you have any comments, please leave them below the video. Alright, thanks. Let's get started. Alright everyone, so I think I mentioned before that I really like to do pen pal letters. So today I wanted to show you guys something that I like to do to kind of spice up my letters once in a while. I call this a pocket letter. It can also be used as a gift. I think that, it's just something that's fun to do, so I wanted to show it today. I got this for pretty cheap on Amazon. I think it was like less than 13 Canadian dollars and less than 10 American dollars, and it came in a pack of 25. So these are pretty cheap. So I used one of these, and as you can see, I already took a piece of paper and I just traced the outline like that. And then I just trim down the edge until it fits in there. Obviously, if you have a card already, you can just use it as a stencil. I didn't actually have any cards, so either way, it's really easy to make some, and then once you make one, you can use it to trace the others. So I used some paper that I had, some scrapbook paper. I showed it in one of my other videos, but you can get this at the dollar store. You can use construction paper, just regular paper. You can use whatever you have. So I have made one to fit each of these pockets, so we can see that. As you can tell, we still have one space. So I did make a little card template. I'm going to link a template below the video. If you want to check it out, you can print it out. All I did was I took one of these cards and I put it down on the piece of paper. I traced it, so we have this middle square right here, and then I just drew in the other line, and then I folded them at the lines so we can make a tiny envelope, and that will fit into one of these little squares, and then you can decorate it however you wish. So I just wanted to show all of you how I like to decorate these. So let me finish taping up my envelope and then we will get started. Alright everyone, so we got that done. I just covered my teacup in tape to protect it, make it like a little sticker, and we have the front and the back. So inside I actually put a little tea bag. It fits right down in there. A little surprise for whoever gets this, and I actually took out another card so I can make 2 envelopes because I want to use the second envelope for something else. So let's get started on that. Alright everyone, so the next thing I did was I actually took one of the cards, I trimmed down the edge, and I covered it in tape to kind of give it an laminated feel. If I had a regular plain card that was laminated, I would have just used it, but I didn't, so I did use this instead, and I am covering it in washi tape because sometimes pen pals like to share a little sample of their washi tape. I think it's a cute idea as like a little gift, and I put 2 on here already. I was trying to use some glitter tape, but it was not staying. The problem with glitter tape is a lot of times it has like a layer of paper underneath it, so the sticky doesn't stick to the glitter, but then I couldn't get it to fit in my pocket letters, so I had these. I got this from Wish for like $1, but they came out pretty well. I was just going to put some little samples. This is like a fake glitter, it's not like a real glitter. And what I do is I just stick that on there. The tape protects it from actually sticking like to the paper. If you stuck it to paper, you wouldn't be able to get it back off probably. And I don't do too many layers because then it really won't fit in my pocket. So I just do it a couple of times, cut it, and then tape the edge. Good, then I'm gonna put that in my pocket letter. Alright, and as you can see, I also added a little bag of glitter. Just thought that'd be a nice little gift because my pen pal is very crafty like me. And then I also added a little card. I actually saved these from Valentine's Day, and it has a little button. The button says sweet, and they look like little lollipops. So I have a tea, a glitter, washi tape, and a little pin. The next thing I'm going to do is actually take this out, and I'm going to put some little stickers in there. I already got all of these stickers ready. I don't know which ones are going to fit. I can cut them down to size, but I might not put all of these in there because it is a lot. So I just kind of went through my sticker collection and picked out some that I thought would be cute. And a lot of the times I just keep one of my stickers out and I use it to close the envelope. So I have that, and I'm just going to put that little sticker on there. Good, then let's stick it back in there. Hey everyone, and thank you for making it to the end of my video. I had a lot of fun making this with all of you, and I hope that you guys will try it and post your pictures in the comments below. And if you have any suggestions or ideas for me or any comments, just leave those below as well. I am going to show you guys my final product one more time. So here we have the tea. This has my letter behind it. This is glitter. Right here is my washi tape. These 2 are just embellishments, and I did cover those in tape just to protect them. I think that it's a cute idea because then your pen pal or whoever you give it to can use them as stickers. They can use them on their cards or whatever they're making on their own pen pal letters. So I just think that's kind of fun just to do. They can use it on whatever they want. And this has more stickers, so that's fun. And this is just some gems that I included. It's hard to see them, but they're little gems. This is a little pin, And behind this, I just decided to put more embellishments so it wasn't so like plain. There's my letter. And yeah, I thought this was really fun to do. And I actually made one other variation just to show you that you really can just do anything with these. And like I said before, I did get some inspiration off Pinterest, so I will link that below in case you want to check them out. So this one is like a little bee theme. It was so fun to make. So right here we have some embellishments. Here it's another embellishment. This one is washi tape and this one is little stickers. But something that was really fun about it was I actually made a little clear window, and then you can see the stickers that are in there, which are just like little flowers and ladybugs and stuff. So that was really fun to do. So this one has my letter behind it. This one is a little bookmark that I made. This one's just a little pack of glitter. This one has tea, and this one is more embellishment. So I did a lot of embellishments, but this one I thought was really fun to do. I made this little braided charm just to spruce it up a bit, and I did do some embellishments that have little gems on the outside. So you know, you're not really limited to inside the pocket. You can put them outside the pocket as well, and just put those on with some tape so she could take them off and use them as she wishes. Back I put a few more embellishments, just spruce it up a little bit. You can see my letter. So both of these were really fun to do, and like I said, there's just so many ideas. There's even more ideas than I could think of. Jewelry, little art supplies, erasers. I've sent so many things, like it's hard to remember everything that I've sent, but you know, you can really individualize these, like what is your pen pal interested in. There are so many ideas on Pinterest, and I'm sure there's ideas on YouTube. There's, you know, there's a lot of inspiration out there, so don't be afraid to try other people's ideas. People are putting it out there. I think that, you know, they want it to be used or seen, and you know, I want to try them out with you, and we can see together, do they work, do they not work, and you can always spruce it up however you want, individualize it however you want. That's like the funnest part, isn't it? So I wouldn't be worried about getting ideas from other people. It's just about making it your own and having fun with it. So if you guys have any ideas of what you guys want me to try or any suggestions, I'm like so open to hearing those, and I'm excited to be able to do this with all of you. So here's my two final products. Please let me know which one you guys like best. I'm gonna put an iCard above and you can vote. And thank you guys so much for watching these videos. And if you liked my video, then please like and subscribe. That's all for today. So thank you, and I'm gonna see you guys next time. Stay healthy, stay safe, and tune in next week. Alright, bye guys.